Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I built that accent wall behind me. It's relatively easy, it's a one-day project. Let's go. So this is how it all came together. The wall turned out beautiful and it complements our flooring really nice. The stark contrast between the wall and the wooden slats is exactly what we were looking for. This is what the wall used to look like. It was plain, unexciting, and frankly, it just wasn't doing any favors to the room. So here I'm taping along the wall, carefully aligning it where the slats will go. This step is crucial because when the slats go in, I want those crisp, clean paint lines. Now on to painting. The paint of choice is the Behr Dynasty Black, a primer and paint in one. Because it's black, I had to layer it on a couple of times to make sure that the wall behind completely disappeared, leaving me with a flawless, even finish. Moving on, I start to apply polyurethane to the slats using a water-based product. It not only protects them, but it also imparts a brilliant shine and it enhances the wood's natural grain. Cutting the slats up to sizes next. The pattern is where creativity takes over. I opted for an organized yet somewhat random arrangement. You have the liberty to choose your own pattern at this point, so let your creativity flow. In total, I had about 16 slats to cut, resulting in approximately 47 rungs. My focus here was to make sure that the first slat I placed was perfectly level, as it will serve as a template for the rest. If the first slat is not level, the rest of the slats will be off. Please take your time with this one. As I progress, I use one of the slats on its edge to maintain a consistent spacing between them. When you brad nail the slats in, you have to make sure that you hit the studs so that you have a good secure slat in place. Don't forget to check that the vertical slats are level too. At this point, it's all about the details. As you can imagine, these boards aren't always perfectly straight. Some might bow a little bit, requiring a gentle push to fit snugly into place. This is where hitting those studs is crucial, ensuring a tight and secure fit. Overall, the project has transformed this space, giving it a modern and sleek look. I couldn't be happier with how it turned out, and I'm confident you will feel the same. Don't hesitate to take on a project like this and make your home a stunning reflection of your vision. Stay tuned for more exciting builds to come.